I'm Scott, this is Brian, and we are with Tri-County Metals, and you're watching our series on growing your business with metal. And today we're talking about showing off your good work. Hey, it's hot in Florida.
It is.
You're up there on that roof and you're doing your thing and you're hemming those seams and riveting it real nice and perfect, get your screw patterns perfect. There's no footprints on that roof. You can sweep all the shavings off. You've done it right. Somebody needs to see that besides that homeowner.
But yeah, besides the 10 houses around the house, why not show it to the 40,000 followers on our Facebook page?
That's right. And if you've ever emailed any of us, our email signature has a little icon that says show off. You click on that and you can submit it all day long, and we will review it. We would love to consider it to showcase on our weekly project of the week. So we want you to encourage you to show off your roof, show off your good work. And when we do that, certainly we'd love to have an opportunity to tag you in it and help get you some free marketing. So that's just a great way that project of the week opportunity.
I mean, let's be honest. Everyone loves to take a step back and just look at a finished product after they've worked hard to do it. You've trained yourself as a contractor to install that roof the right way. You as a customer, you picked that beautiful roof, you picked the color, you invested your money into this project, and you want to be able to step back and appreciate it. And that's what we can help you do.
That's right. Let's get you some more jobs off the hard work and good stuff you've already done, and we can do that for you, and we can do it for free. Project of the week. So, we have a strong web presence, and when we push out something like this, it doesn't really just stop with Facebook. We have 8 locations statewide. Each location has a Google Maps, Google Business location page. We got Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. We're posting multiple times every week to this audience base, and definitely, people know our brand, know our products. So it's not uncommon for homeowners to first investigate us and then find a contractor that is associated with us and partners with us to install that product.
We do offer that photo service for free.
For free. That's right.
Free.
That's right.
We can come out and get some photos of your project for free.
For free. Now, can we just be candid? Now, if you got that old Buick up on blocks and you haven't mowed your grass in 2 months, it may not make the cut for our marketing team to come out and get that drone picture. Yeah. But if it's that nice waterfront home or canal or nice pasture land, you got that that nice roof on there. Yeah, we definitely want to get that. We want to help showcase that, help you.
We are not going to come out and mow your grass for free.
Yeah, no, we're not.
But we'll take the pictures for free.
Yeah, we're not gonna get your hot rod off the blocks. Well, you've been watching Growing Your Business with Metal. I'm Scott. This is Brian. Brian's our business development manager for Southeast Florida, and you're in good hands with Brian and all of our metal roofing experts at Tri-County Metals. With 8 statewide locations, you can contact us by text, by live chat, phone, walk-in, whatever. We got you covered. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all of our other segments on growing your business with metal. It's been a pleasure. Tri-County Metals, make your next roof your last.